Hello, it's Jackie, and I am the ALDI Addict, and I'm doing my weekly grocery shopping here at Aldi. I am excited that you have joined me. I'm guessing if you were here, you absolutely love Aldi just like me, and I look forward to sharing with you. Items that I am buying this week and the meal plan that goes with it. If you were around last week, you know that someone blessed me with $25. They put it right on my bill, and I didn't even know it. So I'm going to do that this week, and I'm super excited and a little nervous to do it. So I'll let you know how that goes at the end of this video. I'm obviously not going to record it, but I'll let you know, thumbs up, if my covert operation went well. My goal is to just slip it to the cashier and have them not know it happened until afterwards, just like what happened to me. Otherwise, I probably would have refused it last week, but it happened and I had no choice, and now I get to spread the joy. So stay tuned to see how that goes, and let's get in and go grocery shopping.
So we have the gazebos already, and I'm pretty interested in seeing if it'll fit our space, but it's a little different than the one I'm interested in. It's $169.99. I'll have to talk with my husband. $3.39 for sliced brioche. I am making French toast sticks again this week. It has become a recent favorite of ours. I'm also going to grab some naan if it has red stickers, which it doesn't, so I will use one from the freezer. We're going to have that with butter chicken. Normally it's $3.99, but I only buy it and stock up when there's red stickers on there. This is bar none one of my favorite specialty items at Aldi. These specially selected lettuce chips. I'm going to get one bag, $2.29. I love the aged cheddar and black pepper. Blackberries are $1.19. I'll get a couple of these for my girls' lunches. I'll probably get 3 of them. They look really good. I need cilantro for butter chicken, 69 cents. The grapes are nice and hard. They're $1.19 a pound, so I'm going to grab a bag. Pineapples are $1.69, and I have a nice nifty pineapple slicer. You guys have seen those here. So I'll get one of these for the week. We have a bunch of romaine lettuce, and I'm getting spinach to round out salads for the week. I'm getting 2 cucumbers at 55 cents a piece, and some broccoli at $1.45 a pound for butter chicken. I'm running low on eggs again. They're 68 cents for the dozen, and I need them for French toast sticks, of course. $64 for a gallon of milk. $2.09 for vitamin D and calcium orange juice. And then I need heavy whipping cream for the butter chicken. It's $1.55. 10 pounds of potatoes for $3.39. Making mashed potatoes this week. I love all these canned beets for salads, so 49 cents for these. Pack of yellow onions for $1.59. 59 cents for a can of diced tomatoes. I need 2 for the butter chicken. I make a double recipe of the sauce. It's so good. And look, peanut butter is back. $2.29 for the 40 ounce. So this specialty selected 3 cheese vinaigrette was suggested from a viewer on a past video, and since urban salads this week, I thought that'd be really yummy. Okay, need more ketchup, $1.39 for the jumbo. Black olives, $1.15 for tostadas this week. $2.59 for vinegar. Spring cleaning. I need more. My son Calvin asked me to get chewy granola bars because we only have crunchy in our pantry, so $1.15 for a 10-pack variety. I'm running low on my favorite granola. I eat this with almond milk, and we're actually having cereal and leftovers for dinner one night this week, so this will be my cereal, $2.19. And then I'm going to get some Life. My family loves Life, $1.65 for the balance. I mean, it's not Life, it's balance. I'm probably get another thing of fruit rounds for $1.29. Also, I did end up getting one garden set for my son. We're using some of his Christmas money for it.
Last year I tried so hard to find these boho hanging chairs, and I couldn't find them, and here are the last 2 in my store, but I decided to leave them because I no longer have a spot for them, and someone took them right after me.
We are having tostadas this week, $1.49 for the pack. I think that's one of the best values Aldi has. We love these. I love fresh basil on my pizzas, but since I can't get that at Aldi, I'm going to go for the paste. My other paste is too old now, $2.75. I'm getting mini marshmallows for 85 cents. My son has been begging me for the last few weeks to buy these, and I finally remembered. Chicken is on sale for $1.69, so I'm going to get this pack. It's $8.37. This will be enough for me to make. I'm making Nashville hot chicken tenders and butter chicken, so that'll be perfect for the week. $3.39 for premium sliced bacon. We're going to have this with French toast sticks. I buy this frequently. So I love ALDI funnel cake mixes. I just wish we could buy the mix without the handle every time. It feels wasteful because I can save my handle. It's $2.69. And then I was excited to see this. They have hot fudge, caramel, sprinkles, and cones. I don't usually see that at my Aldi, so I don't know if other Aldis have this or if it's just seasonal. But you can get hot fudge and caramel, sprinkles, everything for ice cream. I'm not getting any of it, but I thought it was fun and wanted to share. I'm going to get 6 of these sparkling waters, the plain, my favorite. 95 cents for biscuits. We're going to have those with the Nashville hot tenders. Okay, $4.45 for vanilla ice cream, 75 cents for sweet corn. Gonna put this on salads. My oldest daughter and I love frozen corn on salads. So here is everything for the week. So I'm back. My total is $89.43, and it did not go quite as I expected because I knew the person behind me in line. And then when I tried to sneak the money to the cashier, she wasn't having it and she wanted no part of it, and she told me I had to give the cash to them. And then I gave it to them, and their total wasn't even $25, but he genuinely seemed like touched and really surprised and had a big smile on his face and said thanks. So it wasn't what I expected, but you know what? I was determined it was going to be whoever was behind me in line, and the cool thing is it was the family of the daycare that my daughters used to go to back when I worked, and it's a family that I really love, and I haven't seen them in a very long time. So the fact that they're behind me, I'm just going to trust that they needed a random act of kindness, and it was a little more embarrassing than I imagined, but it worked okay. And now we can get to the meal plan. So my menu for the week, we're having butter chicken with paneer and chicken. I get the paneer at Costco. I have French toast sticks. I've been making that a lot recently, so you guys have heard that. We love using the brioche loaf, and then I slice it. It's so yummy. We're going to have salad bar. So with the French toast sticks, I'll make bacon. And I'll have probably leftover tenders when I make the Nashville hot tenders. So I feel like the meats left over would be really good to put on top of salads, and we just have lots of romaine to use up. Tostadas this week. I make my taco meat in bulk, and then we'll just top the tostadas with cheese. I have some cheese sauce left over from our tachos, so I'll be using that up. And the Nashville hot tenders, I'm actually going to season my breading with this Nashville hot seasoning. It has salt, black pepper, cumin, oregano, red pepper, thyme, white pepper, brown sugar, smoked paprika, vinegar powder, lots of stuff. So this will be the seasoning in my breading when I make the tenders, and then I'm also going to make actually a Nashville hot like sauce to coat it in. My husband was very excited when he saw this last week. So that was from last week's haul. And then I thought it was funny. I get home, I only bought this for my son. He's using Christmas money to pay for it, and my middle daughter is begging me to go back to Aldi to get another one. So I will be going back to Aldi today to use her money to buy another set. So she was very excited, and she's 9.5, if you're wondering age range that this is appropriate for, but my 11-year-old still said no. If you're interested in seeing how I make butter chicken or funnel cakes, you can check out one of these 2 videos right here. Previous videos I've made highlighting some of my favorite foods. One I make butter chicken, and one I make funnel cakes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in next week's haul. Ciao down and ciao.